Hi, I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I will show you how to embed a Powerapp app inside a SharePoint site page. So first, I'm just going to create a site page here on my communications site under Pages. I'm going to change the web part to just be plain, and then I'm going to do Powerapp. There are two things that are difficult. I'm going to show you one of them, and the other one is way out of scope for this demonstration. The first thing that is difficult is finding the ID of the Powerapp that you want to embed. So let me show you how to do that now. So I'm editing the page, of course, adding a web part. So let's actually change this section first and make it a two-column section because we have two Powerapps that we want to embed here. So let me just add here, and here is the Microsoft Powerapp, and it's currently in preview. So here's the web link or ID. So let's go ahead and find that. I'm going to open in a new window there. Just go there, and then I'm going to go to the Powerapp and see my apps. And here I can see all the apps that I've created. As you see, I have two Canvas apps and one model-driven one here. I also have one that is a SharePoint form that is not showing here. So let's do this one first. This feature, by the way, only works on Canvas apps. It does not support model-driven apps yet. So it's Canvas apps you're able to embed. So let's take this one a bit smaller. That one works for embedding rather nice, right? So let's do that one. And as you see, the URL here has several GUIDs. So there is the E, which stands for the environment. And then there's the A. That's another parameter there. So that's how this link is built up. So you want the one starting with a slash, and actually you don't want the slash. So this is the part you want. So after the slash, a slash, that's the ID, and then you just paste that in there, and there you go. That's that. So let's do the same thing with my employee survey, which I also have here. As you see, that's not showing here. So I need to go into all apps, which is the link that I see there. And then I see even those apps that are embedded in SharePoint. So here you see there's a couple of them here. So the employee engagement, this is the survey that I've been doing quite a few demos around. Same principle here. I want to find the A/A. It's not that long. It's a regular GUID. So let's go back to my page and then insert another web part there, add an app, and then you just paste that link there, and there's my survey. So now I can just publish this, and as you see, they both work fine. I can go in and work with these things, and this one, you can say that this one is done. For example, the buy fruit one is done, and it works, saving the data. And let's go and do another one. So we see that that actually gets removed from the list. Yeah, so that's working. And there is a couple of problems here that I'm not going to go into any detail. But as you see, this app here does not have a submit button. So that's something that we need to fix. And also, of course, the fonts are not the same size as the rest of the page. Stuff like that you certainly need to put a lot of work into. So that's the other difficulty. Two difficulties. One, finding the ID. I showed you how to do that both on Forms apps and on other Canvas apps. And of course, the style modifications, which is a lot of tinkering to get that perfect, of course. But that concludes the demo on how to embed Powerapp into a SharePoint site page. Thank you for watching this demo.